One very important feature that rational functions have is the existence of asymptotes. ठीक है, so आपको already asymptotes का पता होगा because you have seen at least these graphs before. And asymptote क्या होता है? It's an imaginary line. It's not part of the graph. It's an imaginary line, and it's a line which the function gets closer and closer to, but never quite touches. ठीक है, so if you look at these graphs, the x-axis and the y-axis, they are vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So the y-axis is the vertical asymptote, the x-axis is a horizontal asymptote. और देखें कि ये फंक्शन क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे आ रहा है यहाँ से, and it's going to keep on going, लेकिन ये x-axis के करीब चलता जाएगा, it's gonna get closer and closer and closer, but never touch the x-axis. Okay, it's never gonna touch the x-axis. Similarly, जो यहाँ से ये वाला पार्ट है, ये ऐसे नीचे चलता जाएगा, चलता जाएगा, चलता जाएगा, चलता जाएगा, लेकिन कभी भी इस y एक्सिस को टच नहीं करेगा. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दिस. कभी कहीं कहीं बताया जाता है कि it touches the axis at infinity, right? But infinity is not really a number. It's just an idea, like it's gonna go on forever and ever and ever. So that's what asymptotes are. और ये एक रैशनल फंक्शंस का डिफाइनिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. यू विल ऑलवेज फाइंड एन एसिम्प्टोट. कौन सा एसिम्प्टोट है, किस तरह का है, वो डिफरेंट हो सकता है, लेकिन देयर विल ऑलवेज बी वन. ओके, सो टाइप्स ऑफ एसिम्प्टोट्स देखते हैं. देयर आर प्राइमरली थ्री टाइप्स. We have a vertical asymptote, a horizontal asymptote, and an oblique asymptote. So you saw vertical and horizontal asymptotes in the examples above, x-axis and y-axis. Oblique asymptote is just going to be another imaginary line but at an angle. Okay, it's not going to be vertical or horizontal. ये किसी angle पे होगी. So here's an image of an oblique asymptote. So you see कि ये वाला जो function है, ये ऐसे चलता जाएगा इस line के साथ साथ, but again it's never gonna touch this line. So that's an example of a graph which has an oblique asymptote, a line जो कि it's at a certain angle, it's neither vertical nor horizontal. और ये asymptotes कब बनते हैं? So if we talk about the vertical asymptote, that occurs when the denominator is 0. So you set the denominator equal to 0, जो x की value आएगी उन x की values पे you have a vertical asymptote. And जो horizontal and oblique asymptotes हैं, what are they? They are the behavior of the graph as x goes to infinity or negative infinity. So when x goes here, way over here, and when x goes way over here, तो graph किस तरह behave कर रहा है? We will check the function. I'll teach you how to check this behavior. And जो भी उसका behavior होगा, y जिधर भी approach कर रहा है, that will be the asymptote. So जो horizontal and oblique asymptotes हैं, they are kind of mutually exclusive. ठीक है, या horizontal होगा या oblique होगा, दोनों जो है वो exist नहीं करते. So those are asymptotes, and in the next video we will look at some examples. So see you then.